Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Man, we got kind of a treat for you, but I want to take one moment and go, hey, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I just want to thank you for finding this video. Seriously, we tend to do things a little bit differently here. Welcome on in. Hope you have an enjoyable experience. But now, as you know by that thumbnail, title, picture, whatever else you clicked on to get here, we're going to take a look at something else by Peak Refuel. That's right, they're premium freeze-dried brownie bites. And, you know, you're going to have to excuse the running water in the background because the monkey can't figure out I'm filming a video. Sorry, was that subtle enough? I hope so. But, okay, as you know, we have brought stuff from Peak Refuel to the channel before. Now, I've hated one. I've liked two. Is this going to tie it up or is this going to put them ahead? We're going to find out. Okay, let's get the important stuff out of the way really, really quick. As of Wednesday, October 5th, 2022, when I'm filming this video, this and that cookie bite is still, what do we got there? $7.99 on Amazon Prime, and you can get it same day eligible as of that shooting. I'll be honest with you, you're going to pay more for in shipping, and it's going to show up really, really late at night, so just get it normally. All right, we've got 4.58 ounces. It's got a heck of an expiration date right there. 7/27. These things are, where are you made out of? I know they're made out in the USA. I can't remember exactly where, but it's going to bite me in the butt. But okay, I'm fine with that. This says it's 7 grams of protein per pouch, 2 servings. Let's get honest. That's a normal dude snack. All right, it really truly is. What have we got? Oh, this one doesn't have that? Okay. Anywho. I love it. Contains milk, wheat, soy. Alright. Anywho, for you guys who like seeing the nutritional stuff on the back, there you go. Take a freeze frame, peruse it at your leisure. But you're not here for that, are you? You're here for the taste test. Does it look good? Does it taste good? What do we got? So let's get into this package, alright? Seeing how I have 3 hungry monsters looking at me when they heard brownies. Go figure, right?
I was also looking at you what was the yogurt.
Come on. If these things are good, they're probably not going to make it through editing. I'm just saying. And of course, package doesn't want to open properly, so forgive me. Okay. Silica pack. Throw it away. Don't believe Reddit. Don't believe the stupid stuff on the forums. It's not narcotics. It's not anything. Throw it away! Don't be dumb. That's what they look like. Itty bitty little bites. Now, do they taste good? We're about to find out. But, as usual with some of these, especially the healthy stuff, well, not healthy, but the interesting things, we've got some independent taste testers. That's right, the monsters. Come on, morons. Grab 2. Grab 2. Wait. It's not that hard. 2. I know you can count that high. You're smarter than your brother. You, I'm not so sure of. Do you have to hold up fingers? Guys, they're over here smiling and laughing, so don't get all butthurt personal. Alright.
I'll try one in milk, then just like a little.
Just try them. There we go. It's a little hard.
I mean, it's in freeze dry. But they are good.
Hold on.
Did you taste good? You might also go well with a little milk or something like that.
Yeah, I kind of agree with King. I'd say I kind of agree with King.
You.
It's hard, it's good, but I think I like brownies better when they're not hard and they.
Well, they're freeze-dried. They're survival brownies, okay? They're not fresh out of the oven. Go. Go do what you gotta do. Go get ready for school. Okay. I gotta say it like this. Really good, really chocolatey. It gives you that brownie feeling like when you bite into one. Here's the flip side. The cookies weren't as hard as the brownies. I actually had to put a little bit more effort into biting into the brownie than I did the cookies, which is really weird because I understand brownies get hard, they get whatever, but I usually do 3, so here's the third. They're good. I mean, seriously, they're good. They're going to give you that chocolate. They're going to give you that, seriously, no sugar in here? Oh, no, there it is. It's going to give you that little bit of a sugary boost in the backcountry that you may need. Heck, I don't know, it may even keep the kids happy if you're taking them out hunting with you, which I would never ever suggest, but still. I don't know, backpacking, hiking, it adds a different dimension to what you can bring with you. It is lightweight, it is portable. It is pretty affordable for the size, that you're going to get. You can reseal the pack, so if you don't eat them all at once, like, well, I may here during editing, you've got yourself a snack that can last. So, would I buy them again? Yes. Would I recommend them? Yes. They're not bad. Takes a little bit of effort first to get used to it, because like I said, the cookie wasn't, you had to put a little bit of, that in the biting. But the brownie, you had to. But that's just my take. But we are at the most important part of the video. Here, let me move this to the side. Of course, the mystery table is getting full up. Like I said, we're at the most important part of the video to me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Have you used these before? Have you ate them before? Would you recommend them? Would you not recommend them? Leave those comments down below. Let's get some good conversation going, because you never know who's going to see this and might, benefit from your experience. Now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the Peak Refuel Premium Freeze-Dried Brownie Bites, especially with the independent taste testers in the background. Thank you so much for watching. No Rona, just weird cough. Thank you so much for watching this one, guys. I hope you're being safe. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see all of you in our very next video.